Today is 10 February 2015. Hi, my name is Bogdan, and today I just wanted to touch a little bit on the word integrity. Integrity is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Moral uprightness is generally a personal choice to uphold oneself to consistently moral and ethical standards. Guys, if you haven't read this particular post, this is very important for me. I've seen many people get hurt in the past because of deceptions, and I think this is dishonoring. It's dishonoring, and if you dishonor yourself or someone else, if you have done that in the past, please read this article. I think everyone should live by a couple of simple rules, and I think when you live by those rules, you're able to live a much happier life and a much better one. Alright, so like I promised you guys, today I will be going into the system a little bit deeper. As you can see, it's called Teamwox, and what Teamwox basically can give us are shown over here. So let's go a little bit deeper into them. Human resource management. This module is designed for personal management and contains all the information on employees, personal details, address, contacts, IMs, emails, telephone numbers, and information about the teamwork in the company. Basically, this information you need for everything. You know, if you want to try and find people, human resource management is a very important tool to use to structure a business or company, and in this way we are able to really easy distinguish ourselves from what we are doing. So as you can see over here, this is an example. At the moment is selected on team. As you can see, the structure of a team, and just an example: European office, accountants, marketing, design, sales; Brazilian office, developers, technical support. You know, this is a really efficient way to see where what is doing, when, with who, and how. So basically, this is a very good tool to connect you to the right people. So that's really important and can save you a lot of time. Alright, so going to the next one is document management. DocFlow is this module is designed for building an efficient document management. DocFlow. Here you can store absolutely any document in the electronic form: agreements, statements, scanned images, and any other documents. Alright, so one thing I like about this is it basically you can also create one document and work with and collaborate with multiple people on one plan, and instead of sending emails to each other, we just use one document, and that's so much efficient than most companies and systems and organization and governments and everyone is doing. So this is very important for the automatization of any process there is, basically. CRM. In this module you can keep a detailed database of all your clients, suppliers, address, contact person. You can also store here all the documents, emails, discussions, connect with a certain client in Teamwox business management systems. The full history of your cooperation with customers is always available. So that's very nice. You know, a lot of business owners are using CRM, and it's just a very good way to keep track of things and to organize, and it's just something that you're gonna need when you're gonna work and collaborate with large groups of people worldwide. Alright, so let's check our next one. Corporate search system. Data storing, quick search, and access to the corporate information are amongst the most important tasks of business management. Just imagine how much time is spent by your employees searching for a 3-year-old agreement with your partner. Alright, so you know, searching for information basically should be so easy to access. You should have the ability to be in one system and be able to find anything you want, basically. And this system allows you to just do that, instead of, again, mailing to businesses, finding them, locating them. This system really incorporates all the ideas, business plans, structures, future collaborations. So that's very good. Customer support help desk online assistant. This is a tool for assigning, planning, and controlling tasks and customer request help desk. Teamwork. Here's divided into special created service group, which include employees responsible for certain project or products. So this allows you to basically also start projects and have also like a help desk already in place. So when, for example, people start using the system, and some people would like to have a certain job, in this case service desk. This is a very noble job, because when this system is going to become more popular, then we are able to direct people into certain areas, and in this way we can evolve much faster together. so task management. This module is used for promptly assigning tasks to your employees and controlling of the teamwork. A problem occurs, set a task, assign person responsible, and watch how the task is fulfilled. In Task Manager, you can hold various discussions, public image, audio and video files. This will help you to solve pairing problems quicker and more efficient. Alright, so this is so important, you guys, because basically this is the heart of the system. Because we we have so many things to achieve in this world. If you just would write down all the tasks that we have worldwide, locally, you know, we have a lot of things to do in this world, and at this moment, investors, there are not enough investors in the world, and a lot of banks at this moment don't have the capacity to basically help us achieve a much more efficient way of life at this point. So that's why it's so important that we as a humanity, as a species, stand up, unite, collaborate, work as a team. Um, you know, we have a lot of problems in the world we can solve, and we can solve them because with the technology of today, we are actually able to solve any issue we face tomorrow, and by creating tasks we can, as a team, but also as an individual, just look at what has to be done and go and do it. Don't sit around. You exactly know what you can do, because we can create a lot of tasks. So that's very good and very important. IP, PBX, phone system, voice communication, VoIP, telephony module, expand teamwork possibilities in your company. The solutions allows you and your teammates to make calls within the company via IP protocol without any additional settings or modifications. Alright, so the reason why I really love this is basically because it allows you to have a multifunctional way of communication, not just by voice but also chat. And one thing I like about it is it's a direct system, so you're not gonna get any lags, and everyone inside the system is able to connect to each other and speak to each other and have conversations. So and also you're able to connect to Skype and many other possibilities you have with these systems. So our next one is corporate social tools, forum, live chat. Teamwox intranet forum is the most convenient place for internal public relation via which you can deliver all the company's news and policy to each member of your working team. So this is just another way to, connect to your group, to your people. You can connect globally, locally, and start collaborating with people all around. Create the ideas, sponsor them, finance them, work on it. You know, Analytic reports, accounting. It is possible to manage any company without precise and authentic data about the current states of affairs. All this information is present to a company managed in the form of a business report. So this information is able to keep track of our developments, of our growth. We are able to see where we are basically in our project. As you can see over here, we are able to change a lot of settings over here, and I really like to in the future have a lot of these numbers and basically diagrams. I would like to have them in a report, because it can give you a very quick look at what you want to achieve, what is your goal, and where you are, how you can track it, how far you are and what you still have to do. So this is very important. And of course, the email client. Email is probably the most popular tool for communication with customers and suppliers. Teamwox Groupware contains the email module too, but now it is bound with the whole collaboration system. And in teamwork, this feature is extremely useful. It's very good to have email related functions inside corporation. It's probably one of the most used way of communication, like it's already been said. So this is very important, but it also gives you the ability to have everything in one place, and that's why I like the system, is because you can literally have the power of the group right in front of you. You can see who's doing what, how it's growing, what is your what can you do to make a change in the world. So this was one thing I just wanted to show you guys. And for those people who don't know, Teamwox Teamwox itself is created by the same programmers that basically created the MetaTrader 4 and 5. So these guys have proven to me and a lot of people to be very consistent and just have a good quality service. I love the MetaTrader. I really think that these people have done an awesome job. You know, without them, I probably wouldn't even be trading. But and that's why also I would like to work with those kind of people in the future. And for me to do that is to support their system, and that's why I also chosen this specific system, um, because these people have an interesting mind. They're able to create so many options and give us so um, much more potential to grow. And you know, that's why I really want to use this system in the future. So as you can see over here, the price, um, when you see that 119 users basically is 1700 17,850, but the maximum is 18,000. So you know, then you have a basic idea of what you can have for what kind of price. And so this was just a short introduction to the system. I hope you enjoyed it. I would really like to have your feedback. You know, if you think, hey, there are better systems, or um, you know, whatever you think, even about the idea. You know, I really like your input. Um, so this is just one thing I want to do. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will speak to you soon.